Hello everyone. Our group is talking about a new production understanding, which is organic manufacturing. We start taking the consideration the trend of global competition and social sustainability costs, because the problem of today is like we want to produce socially, but social sustainability has a cost on the product. The growth of organic production forms are also taken into consideration in terms of health and environment, and the growth of the new form of participation in manufacturing processes, including the workers and including the consumers. And other two issues, additional the social sustainability, we have a new concept of total quality 2.0 in 2013, as we assumed, including social aspects to the quality understanding. And the local regulations versus global market is the main problem of today because of the sustainability in a global environment. So we choose for the perspective the organization which is close to individuals, to the customers and also to the employees, and which is also close to ecosystem, which helps us to understand the global supply chain of the company. We have some main actors and secondary actors, and we choose a medium enterprise because we want to find a balance between global and local influences, and the secondary actors to have a sustainable manufacturing, social institutions, global competitors, to have some investments at the beginning, financial institutions, and of course suppliers and individual workers and consumers to have a social sustainable manufacturing. Our goal is maximizing also the social sustainability, being more profitable at the same time, and creating more job opportunities, not only inside the company, but also in the global supply chain. So our company, called SOM-Organic, in 2013 wants to include the manufacturing process, the needs of customers and also the workers, to have a total transparency and to create more happy workers and customers in terms of sustainability. They are considering Quality 2.0, which we hope that we will have in 2013. A social certification includes the social SSI and also the customer evaluation, because we hope that in 2013 the customer will have the knowledge and the capability to evaluate the social aspects of the sustainability as well. So we want customers and workers to be involved in the whole process and give us a feedback to make them more happy inside the company and also outside of the ecosystem. Customers can select the social side of their products, what we hoped, by, for example, an application. They can follow what is the process of the production, what are the social percentage or environmental percentage of a single product. And like this, we will have an awareness of social and environmental sustainability with help of IT systems in future. To create this situation, we choose some factors. For example, for political ones, we hope that the regulations will be more global than now, because now the biggest problem is the local regulations are not giving us a chance to have a global sustainability. We want to have certification authorities which has a similar background for each country that can prove that our company is totally sustainable in any aspect. For the economical part, we choose financial institutions support social aspects, because we know that the investment at the beginning will be quite high, and in that terms, in long term, it may pay back, but at the beginning, we need a support to create social organic manufacturing companies. For social-cultural part, we assume that education will be the most important part, because the new generations should know the importance of global global organic manufacturing and the sustainability to be able to be willing to pay more to the organic products, because anyway it will cost more than the other products. To achieve this goal, we want to use IT applications for social and environmental traceability, and by these applications we were hoping that gamification of social aspects can be an education. For example, having some type of games for the children can create in next 10-20 years a new generation which has a more knowledge about sustainability, more knowledge about organic foods and everything. And also the IT can be used as an information sharing way in terms of giving consumers more knowledge about the situation of the product, the process of production, and also get a feedback from them. And what it's going to be the benefits? First of all, as it's going to be an organic production manufacturing, we will have and we want to educate all the consumers that we have. We want to have a society which is more aware of the situation, which has more healthy products and also social inclusions. In that sense, EU industry will have more social and inclusive manufacturing in this industry, exploring new enabling technologies like to a food industry, some connections with IT systems to have information and to have feedback. And the European Committee have a new social regulations in manufacturing system, because we think that regulations today are more focused on economical or environmental aspect of sustainability, but the social part is kind of missing now. So we think that we take into consideration the manufacturing specifications and also the economical sustainability together in long term. Thank you.